Hello, today I show you a very tasty vegetarian dish from Liguria, Italy, spaghetti with green beans and potatoes. Let's start. We start with the green beans. You trim them like this. Washed, you put them into a robust pan. Covered with water and a little bit of salt, they are cooked under a lid for approximately 20 minutes. Heat the cooking water for the potatoes and spaghettis using only a little bit of salt. The potatoes are peeled, cut lengthwise and cut into pieces of 3 to 4 mm thickness. To avoid any browning, store them in water. You put the potatoes into the boiling water and cook them for 10 minutes under a lid. Back to the beans. You discard their cooking water, add 2 ladles of potato cooking water, and then you cut them like shown in the video. That is the reason why you will need a robust pan. You add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your pesto and mix it under. On the lowest heat and under the lid, you let the beans absorb the aroma of the pesto. Of course, you should taste in between. How to make your own pesto I show in another video. Also, how to prepare your own noodles I show in another video. Here I am turning them into spaghettis. They will be cooked together with the potatoes that have now been cooking for 10 minutes for further 3 minutes. If you want to use store-bought spaghetti, the cooking times change accordingly. I have noted them in the description below. Take the ready cooked potatoes and spaghetti out of the cooking liquid into a sieve and let them drain. Pour them over the beans. Now I make a very fast sauce. Into a small, high, cylindrical container you put 2 teaspoons of pesto, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 6 sauce ladles of cooking liquid, and 10 pieces of potatoes. You mix it until it becomes creamy. That's it. Serve the spaghetti and then the potatoes and beans on a plate. Pour over the sauce and decorate with the basil. Ready you are. The ingredients and amounts needed you will find in the description below. I hope you have liked my video and will even like this dish more. Have fun cooking it and I wish you guten Appetit!